Do you know how to make a PDF on your device? If you want to create and enjoy this compatible file format with a relatively stable layout, check this guide. Way 1. How to make PDF in PDF Creator Pro quickest. Coolmuster PDF Creator Pro is a powerful PDF creation tool, which can make a PDF file from the document of other file formats like EPUB, CHUM, HTML, etc. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster PDF Creator Pro, then launch it. Step 2. Choose the type of conversion you want to perform. Click the Add File or Add Folder button to upload files. Step 3. Configure the file properties in the right-hand interface. Click the Start button and choose the output path. Step 4. Wait for the conversion to complete, and you can find your PDF file in the specified location. Way 2. How to create a PDF document in PDF Editor. Step 1. Download and install PDF Editor, then launch the software. Step 2. Open the files you want to convert to PDF in PDF Editor. It will automatically convert the files to PDF format. You can also click the plus icon next to Open PDF from File to Open Files. Step 3. Click on File in the top left corner, Save As to save your PDF file. Step 4. If you need to batch convert files to PDF, you can click on Batch PDFs on the software's homepage, Convert or Create to create PDFs in bulk. Way 3. How to create a PDF on Windows. Windows operating system has the natural edges to create PDF files because the Word, Excel, PPT, and image viewer programs can help you convert your file to PDF, but they can only convert one at a time. Step 1. Open the file you want to convert, for instance, an image. Simultaneously, press Ctrl+P or right-click on the file and select the print option. Step 2. In the pop-up dialog, choose Microsoft Print to PDF as the printer. Step 3. Configure the properties of the PDF file, then click the Print button. Step 4. Choose the output path and file name, and click Save. Then you can find your PDF file in the specified location. Step 5. You can also use other tools to save files as PDF. For example, in Microsoft Word, open the file, then select File Save as PDF. Way 4. How to make PDF file on Mac. Step 1. On your Mac, open the document you want to save as a PDF. Step 2. Select File Print. Step 3. Click the PDF button or tap the downward arrow to open the PDF pop-up menu. Then choose Save as PDF. Step 4. Choose a name and location for the PDF file, and enter the necessary information in the title, author, subject, and keyword fields. Step 5. To encrypt your document, click Security Options. Way 5. How to make a PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Step 1. Open Adobe Acrobat and select Tool Create PDF. Step 2. Choose the type of file you want to convert to PDF, single file, multi-files, scanner, or other options. Step 3. Click Create, and then follow the prompts to convert the file to PDF. Step 4. Next, click File Save As to save it to your desired location.